to apply for US passport online. To start, search apply for US passport on Google and then scroll down until you see this link, prepare to apply for a passport homepage. In here, you will learn about the steps on how to apply. So click fill out your form and print it. You will see here the different details. So scroll it down until you see application for a US passport. So in here, click the link applying for the first time. So here are the steps to apply for the first adult passport. Step 1, confirm you meet the requirements. Click plus to expand. So read the details. And then step 2, fill out the form and print it. So they have the form filler tool here in which you could fill up your details. And then here we have the step 3. So you need to get the evidence of US citizenship and the photocopy. So here are the details. So we have here the picture and the details needed for submitting your US birth certificate. And then step 4, get a photo ID and a photocopy. So you must show at least one of these photo IDs. Step 5, determine special circumstances. So you need to check if you are within this type of information. And then step 6, you must provide the one photo of your application. So we could go to the passport photo page for the requirements to see the examples of photos. Next, we have step 7. So you could calculate here the fees for applying. Step 8, find the location to apply. So in here, you will see the different duration. We have more than 3 weeks or less than 3 weeks. Then last step, track your status. So after doing all the steps, you can check the status of the application online and learn more about each status update. So that's it. That's how to apply for US passport online.